YouTube has a new autogen thumbnail feature using AI. Very interesting. I noticed a new feature when I uploaded my last few videos. YouTube will generate a thumbnail based on your video. I don't think they are very good thumbnails though, but even at that, for AI thumbnails, it is a very interesting development, especially for those who cannot generate thumbnail for their videos and who doesn't even have an idea on how their thumbnail is meant to look like. But won't this basically put vidIQ and other services like it out of business then? Well, if you check the Arc Studio, you see that it's basically Gemini integrated into the channel, which was basically vidIQ's whole point. Therefore, if you cannot afford vidIQ services, automatically it means that the vidIQ, an alternative vidIQ service, has been integrated into your YouTube studio. You can leverage it, you can make use of it for the best performance, especially if you are lost as to what is causing your videos to get tank or not to get views or impressions at all. I honestly wish Axe was available on the mobile app too. I'm not really an AI guy at all, but it's handy to actually have one with access to YouTube statistics directly. And I think this will save some dollars and get rid of another subscription at least. And listen, I tried it and I was expecting those uncanny valley type AI generated pictures. But oh my god, the studio understood my channel thumbnail style and suggested a couple of thumbnails that seem entirely possible that I would have made it myself. For context, you can see that this channel is about how to grow on YouTube, and I have some long form videos. My thumbnails are always a screenshot sometimes of the most interesting frame in the video, and sometimes I add large titles in upper cases and small cases, YouTube logo, and the rest. The Studio AI almost 99% replicated this style with incorrect fonts though, but still, what's even more incredible and scary is that the AI screenshot is 95% from my video, but it adds or remove people to make it cleaner. You can see this thumbnail I'm showing you right now from the dashboard. The AI generated these thumbnails for me. Yes, edit to add. The scary part is that the generated people looks very real. There was none of that uncanny valley high contrast shiny smooth skin look. The generated person look exactly like the person is. You can see my image with the motion blur and the ambient light bouncing off the person's clothes and the skin. I legit thought it was a 100% screenshot until I went to check my video at the exact spot and realized, hey, this was from the video directly. This is what your YouTube AI Studio thumbnail generator can do. Number one, it can scan through your thumbnail. Number two, it can scan through your video. Number three, it can scan through your transcript. And then it will use these informations to generate the best AI thumbnail for you. And then the images, the footage, and whatever it's going to use will be from that exact video, and which makes it very interesting. So how do you achieve that? Log into your YouTube dashboard, then tap on the video you want to use AI to edit. Then you scroll down, you'll find Get Suggestion under your thumbnail. Get Suggestion. You now tap on it. Immediately you tap on it from here, it will now open this window to the left or to the right for you. You can see it is getting specific details from your videos. It is getting specific details from this particular video. Now let me tell you what you can do from here. You can also ask it to generate alternative titles for you, and you can ask it to rate them either 10 over 10 depending on what you need. Then you have to wait for some minutes because this might take some time. Alright, then once it is done, it will give you two options. But before this method, you can decide to ask it to generate at least 3 alternative thumbnails for this particular video. You can instruct it, you can ask it, you can guide it, and In fact, if you have your own prompt from maybe ChatGPT, Claude AI, Grok AI, you can even paste them here, and then it will work on the prompt and generate the best image for you for free. You are downloading the thumbnail, then you upload them to your videos. I think we're almost there. Let's see what it has generated for us. You can see the first one is split screen comparison, 2 panel. Look at what it gave to us. Although this person's image is not my image, yes, it's not my photo, it automatically generated this photo. So I'll go ahead and download it, then I'll edit it later. Then look at this one, the next one. Let me see if it captured my face. Yes, you see, in the video I don't have my face particularly, but it means that it scanned through my thumbnails in the channel and then extracted my image perfectly and inserted it into this. Can you see? Wonderful. So this is saving you a lot of money, especially if you depend on vidIQ and the rest. This can generate alternative thumbnails for you, or if you are lost as to what a thumbnail is going to look like, the YouTube Studio can give you an idea on how your thumbnail will look like. And if you look at this, you can see that it generated this concept perfectly. You can see it extracted these images and generated these thumbnails for me. So instead of paying for Grok AI, ChatGPT and the rest, you can decide to leverage this to save cost. And let me also remind you that you can also paste your prompt here and then it will work on your prompt. If you have any issues with impressions, with your hook, with your retention, you can ask it and it will work on it and give you the best advice. In fact, even if you want to write your own script, it can help you write your own script. So let me know what you think in the comments. Is this feature a welcome development to creators, and are you going to use it? Since YouTube is fighting inauthentic content and many AI channels have been demonetized, is it ideal for YouTube to integrate this AI feature into their thumbnail? And does it mean that YouTube is not against AI thumbnails, AI script, AI voice, and whatever you use on your video? Let me know what you think in the comments. Are you going to use this feature? So subscribe, have your say, and I'll see you in the next one.